In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to structure your Slack channels to enhance your team's collaboration and keep everything organized. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, open your Slack application. Once you're there, take a look at the left sidebar where you'll see the Channels area. To create a new section tailored to your needs, hover over the Channels section. Here, you'll notice a three-dot menu icon, often referred to as the More Options button. Go ahead and click on that icon. You'll see an option that says Create Section. Go ahead and select it. Now that you're in the section creation mode, it's time to name your new section. It's crucial to keep this descriptive so you can easily identify what belongs where. For instance, you could name your section Priority if it's for high-priority discussions. But don't stop there. If you want to add a little personality to your sidebar, you can add an emoji as a visual cue. This step is optional but can certainly make your sections more distinctive. Once you've settled on your name and if you've chosen an emoji, click Create to save your new section. Next up, let's enter management mode. You'll need to click that same three-dot menu icon again. This time, hover over the Manage option in the drop-down. From this menu, choose Edit All Sections. This will allow you to manage your channels effectively. Now, moving channels to your newly created section is the fun part. You'll see a list of your channels. Find the specific channels that you want to move into your new section. To do this, simply check the boxes next to those channels. After you've selected all the channels you want to organize, look for the Move To option. A drop-down will appear, displaying the names of your created sections. Select the one you just made. Priority, or whatever you decided to name it. Finally, it's important to save the changes to ensure everything is how you want it. In the bottom right corner, you'll spot a green check mark. Clicking that confirms and applies the layout changes you just made to your sidebar. Voila! Your Slack channels are now structured in a way that makes sense for you and your team. And there you have it. You've successfully structured your Slack channels, making it easier for everyone involved to find relevant conversations and collaborate efficiently. The organization in workspaces can often lead to improved productivity and clarity among team members. Remember to regularly revisit your channel organization to keep it aligned with your team's evolving needs. Thank you for joining me in today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content. Happy Slacking!